Online learning at Rasmussen College is incredibly beneficial when teaching tech. Hi, I'm Jen Ayotte, Dean for the School of Technology at Rasmussen College. Let's talk about teaching tech online. Rasmussen College's online courses embrace a project-based learning approach. Students in these courses don't just answer multiple-choice questions. They complete projects that match what they'll be doing in the real world on their jobs. You're not on your own either. Our instructors are actively working in the industry, and during their live classroom sessions, they bring their expertise and guidance to the classroom every day. You have a chance to ask questions and get input from them every time you meet. Our students have access to tutorials, 24-hour support services, and tutoring services as well. It's no secret that subjects like IT require hands-on work. Students need to get their hands dirty, and virtual labs allow you to do just that. These labs mirror real IT work and allow students to show what they know. And it's not just IT. These simulated environments, tools, and labs are throughout all of the programs within the School of Technology at Rasmussen College, ensuring that students can hit the ground running in their careers. Learn more about our School of Technology at rasmussen.edu.